Is that the move? I don't know. Is that Kung Fu or just some shit? Because we're going to watch some fight scenes. It's from the Raid 2 kitchen fight scenes. I saw that in the comments, so I thought, why not? Why the hell not? Let's check some fucking fight. If you are enjoying my videos, please subscribe to my channel right now for more future reactions, and let the reaction begin. Come on, come on. Kick him, kick the shit out of him. Who's the bad guy and who's the good guy? Who is the... I'm guessing the left is the good guy. Oh, come on. Shit. Are you fucking kidding me? Is that how it goes? Like you just... he's about to kiss him right now. Yeah. Why are they not... They are not keep going? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Kick the shit out of him. He's an easy piece of cake. Yeah, some leg moves. I like some... Oh shit, did he break his back? No? That's... Their hands is like knives. It's like bullet speed. Shit. Yeah. Yep. Is that the good guy? No. Hey, come on, man. Kick the shit out of him. Oh, on the stomach. In the stomach. I swear to God, if some of these two guys punch me in the stomach, I will die immediately. I will not take this beat. Come on, that's cheating. Don't use fucking equipment. Shit. Oh, come on. That's not an honest fight. Dude. Yeah. Nipple twist. Do a nipple twist. That is so much affecting. Trust me, do that. Fuck. Shit. Oh my god, his chest. This guy should be dead right now. Hey, don't twist. Don't waste that wine. Come on, is that wine? Dude! Not the wine, man. Yeah, get the fuck out of there. Fucking idiot. What's gonna happen? What's... No, knives. Yep. Fuck. Shit. That is... I feel it. Dude, he's gonna slice him off. Shit, no. Take his eyeballs out. That's disgusting. Yep, kick the shit out of him. Remove the knives. I don't know what blades. I don't know what the fuck is that. It looks like my penis. No, I'm just kidding. No, that's not my penis. Shit. Yep. His head should be like... He got so powerful hit on the ground. His leg. He didn't... Yeah, let them go. He's not let it go. He's not gonna let it go. Let the fucking blades on the ground and fight with your hands. Fucking idiot. He's not gonna listen to me. Shit. What? Shit, he's going on the edge. Yeah, kick his ass. His head, I mean. It's no different. Bad guys There is no difference between his head and his ass, cause he's an asshole. Shit, he's gonna kill him. No, come on, don't be. Yeah, he took it. Kill him. Yeah, pull his stomach out. Shit. That's it. Fuck. His blood looks like a ketchup. I don't know why, but this is not a blood, man. Shit. Yeah, he chose to hit his head instead of just fucking slicing his fucking head off. Just do it, god damn it. Oh shit. Shit. What? This is so intense. Kick him in the stomach, yes. And man, just kick his nuts. He's gonna fucking fall on the ground immediately. Just do that, trust me. Oh shit. Oh, I can feel that shit. What? No hugs, man. No hugs now. Come on. No hugs. You don't need no fucking hug. Oh, wallah. Oh, oh, fuck. Man, that jacket. Come on, you ruined his jacket. Come on, no. It's expensive. Oh. Shit, I'm going. Oh. I'm going to throw up. Oh my god. Oh fuck. Yeah, last hug before he dies. Holy shit. What the fuck? That was so good, man. I love that kind of fights. Even though I don't know any shit about that. What is that? I don't know. Kung Fu what? I don't know. But it was fucking good. That is the important thing. I don't care. If you enjoyed my video, please subscribe to my channel right now for more future reactions. See you next video. Thank you.